this video, we'll look at what page transitions are and how to use them. Page transitions are an important part of website navigation and user experience. They help create smooth visual continuity while the site assets are loading. Page transitions may also help give time for video backgrounds to buffer or other assets to load before they display. To access your page transition settings, click the menu icon and select Site Settings. Then, click Page Transitions. Using the controls under the Page Transitions heading, you'll be able to easily edit your page transition styles. You can modify the background color, entrance animation, and exit animation. You'll also be able to modify the preloader settings. To do this, select an icon, animation, or an image. Once activated, page transitions will be applied to all internal links on that page. If you want the animation not to appear in a certain link, you can disable the transition by adding an attribute to the link. To add an attribute to the link, click the widget that holds the link. Go to the link and click the cognitive icon. It will expand the link options. In the attribute field, type data-e-disable-page-transition. As always, remember to click Update to save your work when you've finished creating page transitions. For more detailed information about page transitions, head over to the Elementor Help Center for more articles and videos.